when you got a data, there are usually three kind of ways how you can select that features of that particular data in QGIS. And today in this tutorial I'm going to show you what are those three kind of ways by which you can select those features. So first let's open its attribute table of this data. Simply right click this layer, that's selected desired layer, then open its attribute table by left clicking. Then you can see here the things is quite simple here. So this is basically a save file data of a Gaon Palika local level, and here it is a ward data, and I need to select a particular kind of ward. Let's say here is ward number is also given here, and let's say I would like to select ward 4. Okay, this is the ward 4. Then the first way of selecting that layer is simple. What you can do is you can simply select from here. Just left click this row corner here, just left click it. Okay, now you can see here this yellow color region. That means this ward 4 has been selected. And you know that when you select a particular feature of a data, later you can export it. So we normally select feature to export it. So this was the first way. Now the second way of doing it is what you can do is, okay, once we have selected it, we need to deselect it. So for that I'm again opening its attribute table, and you need to go to this feature here. It's saying deselect all features from layer. Simply left click it here. Okay, now feature has been deselected. Now what you can do is you can do another thing is you just give the layer styling here. I mean to say give it label from this layer styling menu. In case you don't have this, what you can do is simply right click this white space, simply take this layer styling panel. Okay, now what you do is you simply select this. Okay, now you can see some changes here. Now this layer has been selected, and you just what you need to do this, you are seeing a kind of text here in this category. This something ABC is written here, and here it's saying no labels. Just give it a label. Just click it here, click this arrow bottom down, and just give it single labels. Click on that, and from in this value you can choose a variety of options. Simply click this arrow button, just click it, and now you can see different kind of categories, and I need this ward number. Okay, now I am able to get the ward number. Means from here I am easily able to visualize that which ward is which feature. Okay, now the second way that I was talking is to simply click this. This is the most ideal option. Once you are done, just click it here, and this actually is select features by area or single click. Now what you can do is, suppose I want to select ward 5, then I will simply clicking here, just left click it here. Okay, now this ward 5 feature has been simply selected, and now to deselect it you can simply press here in this outer space. If you will press, then it will be simply deselected. So this was the second way. Now the final way and the most ideal and appropriate way is by going to expressions in attribute table. So again we need to go to this attribute table, simply right click, go to open attribute table, and now what you can do is you simply go to the expression here, simply go to click this option, just left click, select features using an expression. And now we are going to use expression to select a particular feature. So what does that mean? You simply go to fields and values. Okay, now which is the field that I want? I want to select ward. Let's say this ward, I want to select the ward. Let's say ward 1. This ward 1 is the feature that I want to select. And you know that ward 1 falls within the category of ward number. Okay, this is the field name and these are the field value. So I will be choosing here field name. ward number and just say equal to then what is the ward. We have selected the field name. Now we need to select the field value, and that field value is ward 1. Now if you just hover here, okay, you are not able to do this, but if you will hover here, just keep this mouse cursor here. By closing this box, you will able to see it is whether string or it is integer, and accordingly we need to keep the things here. So now what I think it's integer, so I think it's a string. So what I will be doing here is I will be simply use this single quotes. Then what you can do is, what is the name here? Ward space 1, and you need to write exactly the same. So ward space 1, make sure that what is the name here, you exactly write here. Suppose if you won't give space here, then the things won't work. So you need to make sure of this thing. So now we are done with this. Okay, ward 1 we have selected. Now simply this left click this select feature. Now you can notice here it's saying that selected one, and here is also you can easily notice that our one feature has been selected here. So this was the third way by which you could have selected the feature. Now I would like to show you the case study where you can use this kind of expression. This expression is particularly useful, this kind of expression where we go here. This expression is particularly useful in cases where the features are more complex. Suppose you do some analysis of, let's close this and just open it here. And this is actually the WAR data. This data what I am showing you here is WAR data of whole Nepal. All are the WAR data. And what is interesting thing about this data is we normally have the election constituencies and other different kind of province and other regions, different state area, and all the data that are made, all the file data are made through this expression, and all those data that are obtained all are done through this method. So the ideal way is by going here and hitting the commands, hitting the codes. And if you want to learn more about this thing, about making the thing, about working on those complex features and selecting features and exporting them, I have made a separate video on this topic. You can watch it as well. So that's it, viewers, for now, and we are going to meet soon in other upcoming videos of our map Adda. So thank you, viewers, for watching this video. So that's a wrap from us. Thank you.